Hibiscus tea got famous because of a diet that promises quick weight loss. But burning body fat is only one of the many benefits of this tea. Many studies have shown that hibiscus tea offers benefits to the heart, such as lowering blood pressure. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition showed that hypertensive adults who drank 3 cups, 0.67 ounces, of hibiscus tea daily for 6 weeks had lowered blood pressure. Did you know that? In a recent video, we saw the benefits of drinking hibiscus tea. Did you watch it already? Hibiscus tea is usually safe, but we need to highlight some side effects like stomachache, gas, constipation, nausea, painful urination, headaches, and ringing in the ears. All these symptoms are caused by excessive consumption. Now let's see some of the rarer side effects caused by drinking too much hibiscus tea. May cause malaises. Be careful with the diuretic effect of hibiscus tea. Drinking too much of it leads to dehydration, loss of electrolytes in the body, such as potassium and sodium, which causes changes in muscle contraction, dizziness, weakness, and even fainting. May cause infertility. Some studies suggest that the continuous excessive consumption of hibiscus tea may interfere with estrogen levels. This change in hormone levels inhibits ovulation and hinders female fertility. May interfere with some medicines. Hibiscus tea can potentialize or reduce the effects of certain medications. Its diuretic effect can potentialize hypertensive drugs. On the other hand, some studies suggest that drinking hibiscus tea lowers the effects of some medicines, like paracetamol. Also, remember that hibiscus tea is contraindicated for pregnant women due to the hormonal changes and uterine contractions that may cause complications during pregnancy or even spontaneous abortion. Nursing women should also avoid this tea since there aren't enough conclusive studies regarding its toxicity and safe dose. Some studies say that hibiscus tea benefits high blood pressure patients thanks to the anti-hypertensive effects of diuretic action. Hypertensive people must avoid hibiscus tea without a medical prescription or if taking medications for blood pressure. Now that you know these things, be careful and take care of your health. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.